Glad to report, when I spoke to him, I almost choked on my tongue. He had $100,000 a month. Hey, what's up, guys? Shane O'Deja here. I want you to hear from one of my clients. I want you to hear his story. He's outside of Chicago. He was struggling. We've all been there. I kind of teach and preach three things: internet, agents, and plumbers. You'll hear from clients from across the board. Some of them prefer agents, some of them prefer plumbers, some of them prefer the internet. And quite often it's like they'll believe in one and almost don't believe in the other two. I'm here to tell you they're all three the same. In Aaron's case, Aaron hit it with the internet. He was literally coming for a place where he had a month or two where he was doing one job a month, maybe two, $5,000 and $7,000 a month. I didn't hear from him for a little bit while he was in the program too, and I was a little nervous because I was like, man, what's going on? And I'm glad to report, when I spoke to him, I almost choked on my tongue. He had $100,000 a month. He was just so busy he couldn't get covered up. So anyway, this is going to be a little bit about what Aaron said. I want you to know that it's possible, and this is proof from Aaron. So whatever you think it might be that you can't do it, I'm telling you can, and we can help you do it. There's no easy shortcuts, but I'm telling you, if you're willing to put in the work, we can get you there. Y'all check out Aaron's story. What would you say to somebody? Does it work?
It works. 100% works. I had a job a day from May 1st up until the 13th, 14th when it started raining, that really bad storm. I had a job a day, legit a job a day. Every phone call that came in, it turned into a job. Then after that, it just kept going. Then it turned into mold, and then it rained again. And then I just kept going and going and going. And boom, here I am, bank account full of money, people working for me, just managing everything, getting CRMs, learning how to do stuff through you, the payments, like total 360. Just went from almost being dead in the water to like I'm free, like I'm good.
So would it be fair to say that like part of like the success that you had, your $100,000 a month in May, would be based on me teaching people how to do the internet marketing?
Yes. Yeah.
And when you feel like you can just like, you got what it takes, like this is the ticket, like there's no doubt, there's no getting a job, like you don't have any doubt you can do this now, right?
No, I have no doubt.
Zero doubt.
Zero doubt. Before, right when I first started talking to you, dude, I was down in the dumps. Like I really wanted to grow the company, but I had nothing to go off of, and I felt like I was gonna have to close it because I had nothing. But now I have like a lot. I have everything.